Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're decoding superficial mycoses, those sneaky microscopic invaders living right on your skin.
Ever wonder why tropical weather turns your skin into the ultimate breeding ground for these fungal pathogens?
Well, it starts at the stratum corneum. These fungi exclusively attack that dead outermost layer of our skin.
They totally thrive in the tropics, just waiting for that perfect 25 to 27 degrees Celsius sweet spot.
They're super opportunistic too. One 2008 study even found microscopic fungal co-infections hiding right inside common acne cases.
Meet the big three invaders: dermatophytes, candida, and pityrosporum. Notice how each one prefers a completely different battleground?
First up, dermatophytes. They literally eat keratin, wrecking your nails and spreading red, scaly rings across your skin.
Hit the scalp and they trigger carrion de cells, a brutal, super painful inflammation packed with deep pustules.
Next is candida. It just waits harmlessly until stuff like diabetes or prolonged steroids tank your immunity.
Once triggered, it aggressively attacks mucous membranes, like your mouth, or causes painful inflammation right between wet fingers.
Finally, Pityrosporum orbiculare. This sebum-loving fungus thrives on physical labor, heavily targeting people who sweat a ton. It causes discolored, scaly patches on your chest that actually glow yellow-green under a woods lamp. Wild, right? To unmask the specific invader, doctors use KOH scrapings or lab cultures to spot the exact fungal structures. Treatment means targeted topical creams. Broad-spectrum antifungals hit all three, but nystatin is specifically used to eliminate candida. The real game changer is prevention. Keep clothes perfectly dry, maintain strict hygiene, and immediately treat infected sources.
These microscopic invaders are everywhere. The real question is, are your daily habits secretly inviting them right in?